Hey guys, so this is a quick troubleshooting video. I've encountered this several times when using SQL locally. So if you've followed my previous videos, I went through steps to create a local database. So if you're using a local database and say you restart your laptop or shut down your laptop and open it up again, um, and you might be using the same username and same password, but you're still running into this error. The network adapter could not establish the connection. So there is a quick, easy fix for this, but before, what you always want to do first is just verify your connection information. So I'm going to right click, I'm going to go to properties, check up on my database, just double check your username and password as well as your connection information. And a lot of times, if you save this down, you should have everything you've already got and to be ready to go. When I go ahead and test it, I'm running into this error that the network adapter could not establish the connection. So this is what you need to do then. You're going to do a command prompt here. So you're going to hit Windows, then R. And then you've got this option that came up. And we want the services.msc. So if this doesn't come up for you, this is what we want to search. Click OK. Okay, now what we want to do is, I'm going to make this a little bigger. We're going to look for the Oracle services. So I'm going to scroll down to O. Look for Oracle. There we go. And we've got a couple things running. So we've got this Oracle database running. We've got this TNS listener that's not running. And then we have another Oracle service running. So what we want to do is we want to click this and click Start the service. Okay, that's now running. Perfect. So what would I want to do though, just to make sure there's no issues, I'm going to restart SQL. So I'm going to go ahead and close this out completely. And then I'm going to go to SQL Developer, get this reopened. Okay, we're getting back open. And I'm going to go to Properties, and I'm going to test my database again. So test, success, connect, and we're back in. Super easy. Again, there could be several reasons why you're running into that network adapter error. However, the easiest thing, one of the first things you can check is to make sure your TNS listener connection is running, as well as making sure your database is running itself. So it might just be an easy, starting your listener connection when you power on your laptop, and you should be good to go. Anyways, that's it for today. Just a quick troubleshooting video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.